The man accused of killing Lisa Ziegert was arrested in Connecticut last weekend and formally charged with Lisa's 1992 murder Tuesday in Westfield District Court. 22 News has obtained a copy of the application for Gary Schara's fugitive from justice arrest warrant. The document reveals details of Lisa Ziegert's murder, that she had been stabbed multiple times. It also said that a known associate voluntarily came forward with a suicide note written by Schara documenting his involvement in Lisa's death. Police arrested Gary Schara in a hospital in Stafford Springs, Connecticut. The warrant authorized Schara's extradition to Agawam. He was arraigned and is being held without bail, awaiting trial for the abduction, rape, and murder of Lisa Ziegert in 1992. You can read the warrant application on our website, wwlp.com.